Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing very well. Today I'm going to teach you a very simple and easy recipe for the Bourbon Ragi biscuits. So let's get started. All you need to do is add ghee in a bowl with powdered sugar and whisk till it's nice and light and fluffy. I've used melted ghee, so don't take solid ghee in it. Then I added my atta and I added my ragi flour and baking powder, a little bit of vanilla essence, that's optional, and I've mixed it till like the dough is formed. Oh, forgot to put cocoa powder, so do add that. And yes, keep mixing it so that the dough is formed. Once the dough is formed, you can see the way it will look. You can even use your hands to make the dough, and it's going to look like a nice chocolate flavor. Then after that, I cling wrapped it. Just press it down a little bit and cling wrap it for at least half an hour so that the dough solidifies. So many of you will ask that if you can use just a whole full ragi flour, you can do that, but it's going to be very crumbly. That's why I added whole wheat flour. Now once I removed from the fridge, I took a parchment paper, I added the dough, another parchment paper, so that I can roll this very evenly. It's not supposed to be too thin, so what you can do is keep it like a height of at least 1/4. But this parchment paper technique helps that it's rolled evenly. So once that is done, you will just see that how I am cutting it so that I get the biscuit shape. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. All the link and descriptions are given below. If you have any recipe request, also do let me know. Be happy to share those recipes. So you can see like I'm cutting it in the shape of the biscuit. And once that is done, I'm going to put it on a baking tray and then make some holes into it. So you need approximately 6 holes. I've taken a toothpick for it. And once that is done, I am going to add some grain sugar on top of it. Don't add caster sugar, powder sugar, but the grain sugar will give a nice effect to it. And then we're going to put it for baking at 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. And in the meanwhile, we'll make the chocolate filling. So it's a chocolate butter icing. So I've added my ghee, I've added icing sugar, you can add even butter, I added cocoa powder, and this is how it will look. And once, if you find it very thick, you can add a little bit of milk. Now our biscuits have been baked. Let it cool down. Once that is done, you can see how nice they have turned out to be, and they are baked evenly. Now I'm going to pipe the butter icing. Just make sure that the butter icing is kept in the fridge for some time before you sandwich the cookies, and you can see how nice it's turned out. And before giving it for eating, just make sure that you freeze it well so you get a nice bourbon biscuit look and the buttercream doesn't ooze out. And yes, it's ready, and see how beautiful they have turned out to be.